What's up, tubers? This is Radio Geek. We work computers since 1996. Okay, so I'm doing these spiral notebooks on Printify. Okay, and there's a lot of copyrights for a lot of different things. They got this AI stuff now, which has actually been around for a long time. Okay. Now, what I've been doing with this for each individual car, I just put the name of the car here. Okay. And then it generates this image. So let's try and I never tried these styles before. I just put it in and let it roll. And these are the ones I've made recently. This was kind of weird. Okay, so let's do this 1953 Chevrolet Corvette. I'm going to keep it basic and let the thing decide where it wants to put this lava coming out. And I like to use obscure words too and see where this thing leads. Some words be very obscure, like androgynous. What the? Whoa. That is pretty wild. No idea what the hell how this thing, look at that. Look at that. Now then you can input like a simple word like a dragon, a frog, three-headed monster, an airplane also, and it'll add it to what they're doing. It's really strange how this stuff works to me. Again, it's been around for a while, but you gotta remember, you're talking to a computer. So this is Ray, the old DOS geek, Rayware Computers since 1996. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe, because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you guys. Take care.